Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at a Husqvarna 372 XPW. Sometimes it can be a challenge to change that throttle cable. These do go bad. And I'm going to show you how to change that. You should be able to change that out in 5 minutes or less. Get you some forceps. A little push pin. The operator presses lever out with the spring. Reach in there with your forceps. And you've got the cable out. This one was kinked and bent here. And now we'll replace that. Just go in the reverse sequence. Start up front. Reach in there and get a hold of the nub. Secure the notch. Hook it into the notch on the carburetor and slide it into the holder. Take your spring, put it in position. Take your operator presence lever. Use your alignment pin. And you're all done. Like I said, a little practice and you'll be doing that just like a pro.